Yeah, hello guys. Hi everyone. So we continue with our story as usual. So today this is part six of building PDF Reader. Hopefully, you are able to follow up the last tutorial, which is for part five, whereby we created this PDF Reader. So yeah, there's this error here we need to resolve. I think I miss it. I overlooked it. I think. There is a parameter that we forgot to pass here. I think if you find it, I don't know if you saw it, but I think here this error I overlooked it. Here we need to pass parent, yeah, and then the error will go away. So that's the changes that you need to do. Then we are good to go. Then this circular adapter is done. It's already done. So just check. I think you have an error somewhere. Just add the parent parameter, and then you are good to go. So okay, so now we're going to this main activity. I think okay, this circle. I think I add okay, actually here. So when we created our application, if you look at main activity layout, you find out that you have there's this default text that is being which by default is being is yeah, the layout. When we create the layout, this is come by default. This comes by default. This text. So since we need here a recycler view in order to display the list of PDF files, so I will change this. Instead of constant layout, I would like to go with linear layout. Why linear layout? I don't know, but I think you can change it to other layout or widget that maybe this is favorite to you. But I will go with this one for now. So okay. So then after I'll have this circular view, which will be multiple length and lab content. You see, so it will have an ID here, which will be a recycler. This is recycler. Yeah, so which will be a recycler. This is the idea of this one. So okay, so I'll go to main activity. Then okay, so in this main activity, I will need to reference. So I'll start changing stuff here. I'll start changing stuff here. So first of all, I'm going to reference my recycler adapter. So I'll call here recycler. So we just call it adapter. Maybe so how do you call it? This is recycler adapter, right? PDF recycler adapter. PDF recycler adapter. So I'm adapter maybe. Adapter. See, so after that, then after having this one here, then I'll have I will create I'll get the reference for recycler view. So I'll call recycler maybe. I don't know. Just give it a name. Recycler. Go to find view by id dot recycler. You see some okay, so that's that one. Also I'll need linear layout manager, which should be maybe I don't know, or you can just call linear layout manager, which is new. This is needed by recycler view. So okay, so also I will need what else do I need here? Yep, I will need to initialize my adapter. So I'll go to new adapter. So I will need in this adapter. In this adapter, I will need the context is this, and then I will need a list of those PDF files which is this one. So it should be PDF docs. You see. So that I will need to assign this. So I'll call this in circular view dot adapter. I think we have to set adapter. Set adapter. I think set adapter. Yeah. So also I forgot. We need to set also here after creating this. You need to set adapter. Then we need to pass here an adapter, adapter. And also here we need to say recycler. The linear layout, which is this one. So linear layout manager. So yep. So yes, guys. So now we are almost done. I think so. We can just try and see how our application will learn. I mean, how it will going to appear in our app. So I think we are good to go. We already have. Yeah, we almost did everything. So I think let's just try. Let's just give it a try, and then so I'm going to uninstall my application here. So let me show you. I'm going to completely uninstall application, this PDF reader app. I'm going to uninstall it, and then, so that you can see how the application is. So I'm going to uninstall it. Okay, so I'm going to learn it again. So I'm going to learn it. See what happens. So let's just check. So let's just wait to learn. Then you see, so now it asks us for permission of allowing this access to our files. You see, so say allow, and then to take us to okay, so there is no files yet. So what might be the problem? Okay, I found out that since I'm using Android 12, I will need to add this permission, this manage external storage permission. So if you are using below Android 11, you are good to go. But if you are using from Android 11 up, you need to add this permission here. So after adding this permission, and then I think we'll be able to access this PDF files. So yep. So after adding this one and allowing that permission, then I was able to go through my I hope we'll see the rest of those files. You see, so if you're using Android 11 or Android 12 or 13, you'd have to enable this permission and then go ahead. So let's try now. Let me show you. This is my. So let's try and see what will happen. So I'm going to run it again. So this is the magic. This is a magic. Oh, guys, yeah, this is a list now. So we have successfully fetched the PDF files and display them. You see. So this is the good thing. Then this is a very good thing. This is a good thing. So guys, that's how it is. So yeah, I know the arrangement is not good, but at least guys, you see those files. You see. So if you're using Android 11 upward, you need to have this permission. And if you are going, if you are using below version 11, so you are good to go. On this permission that will work for you. So that is the case. So okay, then since we have successfully displayed these PDF files here, so I think the next thing to do now is to view the file itself, the content of the file. So as I showed you in the introduction of this tutorial. So when you click one of these, it should open the PDF file itself. So that's what I'm going to do now. So if you click one of the PDF file, it's going to show you the file or the content of the file. I mean, in this case, a PDF. So yeah. Okay, so I'm going to create another activity. So when you click this one of the item here, it should take you to another activity where it will display the content of the PDF file, right? So okay, so I'm going to create another activity here. Then go here, new activity. Let's create empty activity. This activity will call it PDF activity. You can give it any name, but I will just call it PDF activity. Right, so then finish. Okay, then after what I will do is yeah, so there's this package, to display a PDF file, content of the PDF or the PDF file to display it somehow you can do it maybe by coding it from scratch and then be able to achieve that, but there's no need to reinvent the wheel. There's this saying which say that don't reinvent the wheel. So there's already packages for that which are optimized in terms of performance, and yes, so many people are using this package. So I think I'm going to expose you to this one if you don't know it. So there's no need. It's supposed to go to write codes to display a PDF file, but it will take. We have to write a lot of codes, guys. Indeed, it should be optimized. You have to care about a lot of things like memory leak and a lot of things that are involved, so because it's not an easy task to display a PDF file. So I'll use this package called Batesk, I think something like that, if I'm not mistaken. So okay, so let me go to Google Chrome. There's this package here. Okay, there's this package here. PDF viewer, Batesk, PDF viewer. Yeah, this one here. Yep. So I think so. If you go to GitHub here. Yeah, so if you go to GitHub here, you'll find it. You see? So that is it. So this is the package. So if you want, you can. It's an open source, I think. Yeah, so you can. Yep, you can. So we are going to install it. So you see, this is the code documentation. So let's just install it first of all. So down here, I think. Okay, so what is it? There's a way to install it somewhere. Okay. Yeah, so you need this one here. Okay, so we're going to go with this better. Okay, so copy, go to your project, and then go to Gradle here, and then go to I think this was test app, the app level Gradle file. So just paste here, and then we need to synchronize. Let's see. Okay, so guys, just to remind you, make sure you subscribe my channel. It's very important because it will, first of all, it will give you notification whenever I post any video, and also it will motivate me in one or another to do more and more videos. So make sure you subscribe my channel, and then we are good to go. Right? So okay, that's good. So I'm going to so as I demoed to you, and I told you that we are going to display this PDF file whenever we had sorry, just go here. Let me just go here. So whenever we click this file here, it should take us to the PDF page where it will display the content of the PDF file. It will show us that PDF. So in order to do that, we need to go to the adapter. This adapter. Yeah, in here, what we are supposed to do is we are supposed to do one thing. Remember, if we click, that's when we will have when we click in that file. So we need to somehow listen to that event of clicking a file, which in this case it's a who. You see, so we need to go. So when you click, this is the item, right? This is the item. So whenever we click this card, so we need to have this ID card item. We need this card item. So yeah, we need this item, I think. So which yeah, I think we need also to instantiate it. So if we go here down, we focus. So this is the card ID. The card item. So we need to go here in the also in the you see. So we need also, if I'm not mistaken, we forgot to include this card item as a part of our when we are building this thing. So yep. So when we were building this, so we forgot. I think we forgot something. We forgot something very important. We forgot here in the data. I think we forgot something here. Where it's here in the where is the order, this one. Yeah, so we forgot to include this card view, so which should be view actually. It should be card view. Let's call it. See? So which we will need this card view should be item. Dot find view by ID. Dot ID. Dot card view. This is card view. This card item, so it should be card item. Anyway, yeah, I call card item. So whatever, just give it a name. So here, after that, so after having this card view, then what should we have? We should then after that. So then we will come here, since we already have that one. So we'll come by the order. We'll say order dot card view. Then we'll set on click. Then we'll set the on click listener. I think. Yeah, that's what I was going to do. Then we'll create set on click listener. So after that we'll say dot set click listener to new. If I'm not mistaken. Yep. So after that we'll need then we need to it need to take us somewhere after here. I think so. Yeah, after that, after clicking this one, what I want to do is I'll open an intent here, which is I go to new intent context. We pass context, and then we pass PDF activity where we want to go. So PDF activity class. Right? So that one. So after having that intent, after that, then we will have I dot put extra extra, which should be path, and then we should have another thing we call path. Yeah, sure. So this path, so we'll have this path, right? So this where this path will come from, we'll have this item, because this we need it, find path. We need this path when we go to this activity, we need to display it there. So yep, so that is it. So after that, then we are going to start our activity. So we are going to start activity. Yeah, we will start activity. So okay, so I think we have to go this context. Let's go to start activity, which is I, right? So yeah, so then we'll be good to go. So let's just test it if we are going to that activity. So I'll just open my app here and then see what is happening. You see, so you can just go here and start the activity here. So let's just see. Will it work? There's a problem somewhere. Okay, so I think this one is from the internet. So that's a problem. I think you do not have this problem. I think because I just didn't connect to the internet. So now it's connected to the internet. Okay, so okay, still the problem. Let's try it again. Not resolve all files configuration. So there a problem. Is a problem somewhere? No, let's go see also. Okay, I don't know what's the problem. Not resolve all files for configuration. This is a problem then. I don't know. So guys, I don't know what's the problem here. Okay, let me resolve it. Let me just check. Okay. I don't know what's happening, so let's just try to resolve it together. I don't know what's happening here. That was a big problem. So maybe I try to resolve it in this way. I don't know what is happening, but I had no idea why this is happening. I don't know what is happening. So after installing this one for some reason, my not read to task. What is happening here? What is happening? What is happening? Oh, this is not true. So I don't know what might be the problem here. So, or I don't know what might be the problem. Okay, so let me just pause it here. So guys, I don't know what's the problem. So guys, I think this video is taking longer. Let me just maybe stop here, and then I will resolve it in the next tutorial. But my plan was just to finish this tutorial, but unfortunately we failed. So let's just do it on next video, and then we will finish and see this error together. And if you didn't get this error, then maybe it's just my case, maybe, you know. So if you're able to continue, then that's fine. But if you are stuck as I am here, so maybe let me just pause for now, and then maybe I'll do in the next video, next tutorial. We just resolve it together and then finish this up. So guys, that's what I wanted to share with you today. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Yeah, so because so that when I post a new video, you get a notification, and then yeah, we're good to go. So let me wish you a good time and cheers.